Hello, welcome to Ease All Over It, and today someone's going to be fixing a Mercedes-Benz.
Alright guys, so we're going to be replacing the Command Center in the 2014 CLA250. It's pretty simple. So the first thing you're going to need to do is remove the air vents here. There's a hook that you can buy. I got it from Amazon, 10 bucks. All you do is put it in a slot at the very bottom. I'll show you that once we get it out, okay? But once you pull it, it pops right out. As you can see, the hook came in right there. When I bought it, it wasn't exactly hooking it, so I kind of bend it a little bit. So you're gonna do that to the next one here as well. Just hook and pull. All right, so that's out. There's gonna be 2 screws inside, T20s, that you're gonna need to unscrew inside the vent. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. T20 bit size. I'm gonna allow you to unscrew it. It locks in, so you don't have to worry about dropping the screw. Just loosen it enough. Okay. Now there's a tool you wanna pry between the black and the silver lining. But what I did, I just pushed from the inside. Was able to get it out. Okay. Make sure that's good. Alright. So once that's unloosened, just pull it right out. Move these out the way. There's gonna be a wire on the side here. You better just pop it out. Okay. And you're gonna have a few more wires in the back. Alright. They just pop out as well. So I got these little tools here just to pop it out easily. One by one. Alright, and I just popped these out. The last piece is black. One in the back, you just pull up on it. Should release this DIN plug. Alright, that's pretty much it. So I got a replacement one here. It's the new one. I'm gonna put everything back together in no time flat. Alright. We got the DIN plugs here. Pop it in. Got my yellow cable, gray, pink, purple, green, and the white one here. So you gotta be careful in here. The screw set, you see right here on the inside, you gotta make sure this black piece is pushed forward. Those your screw locks so you can slide it back in. Alright, once you pop in all the cables, should go in pretty smooth. And then these you just pop right back in. Say top, so you know which one's the top. And that's pretty much it. Let's put the keys in, see what we got. Alright, Command Center is up and running. There you go.